Hey everyone, welcome to this quick guide on how to withdraw money from Western Union to your Chime account in 2025. If you're dealing with international transfers, freelance payments, or just need to move funds seamlessly, this step-by-step tutorial will make it super straightforward. By the end of this video, you'll be withdrawing money like a pro, saving time and avoiding common pitfalls. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have both a Western Union account and a Chime account set up. Download the Western Union app on your phone or visit their website, and ensure your Chime app is updated with your bank details verified. This is crucial for smooth transactions. Step 1. Log into your Western Union account. If you're a new user, you'll need to create an account and verify your identity with a valid ID and possibly a phone number for two-factor authentication. Once logged in, head to the Send Money or Transfer Funds section. Step 2. Select the option to transfer money to a bank account. Western Union allows direct deposits to U.S. banks like Chime, but double-check for any 2025 updates on fees or limits. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and choose your funding source, whether it's from a Western Union location or an existing balance. Step 3. Input your Chime account details. You'll need your Chime routing and account numbers, which you can find in the Chime app under Settings or Account Information. Make sure everything matches to avoid delays. Step 4. Review the transfer details, including any fees. Western Union might charge a small processing fee, so keep an eye on that. Confirm the transaction with your PIN or biometric verification for security. Step 5. Wait for the funds to arrive. In 2025, transfers to Chime can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the time of day and any verification checks. Once it's done, check your Chime app to confirm the deposit. A few tips to remember. Always use secure networks for these transactions to protect your info, and be aware of daily limits. Western Union and Chime might cap amounts for first-time users. If you run into issues, contact customer support through their apps. There you have it. Withdrawing money from Western Union to Chime is easier than ever in 2025. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.